The courtroom was dead quiet when Selene James walked in, barely 17, wrists cuffed, hoodie too big, and no one behind her. No lawyer. No parent. Just a girl the system had already written off. The judge didn't even hide her disdain. No attorney, she asked, sliding her glasses down. No, Your Honor, Selene replied, calm and steady. I declined. The judge scoffed. Representing yourself, then? Good luck with that. Snickers from the gallery. To them, this was a joke, just another naive kid playing courtroom drama. But Selene didn't blink. She stood there like her presence meant something. Like she had a reason to be exactly where she was. And she did. The charge? Trespassing on condemned city property. Again. Same address, 1452 Rosewood Street. Third time in 6 months. Prosecutor laid it out like routine paperwork, code violations, structural risk, unauthorized entry. All neat and cold. Selene just listened until she couldn't. It's not trespassing, she said, barely above a whisper. It's my home. The judge straightened. It was your home. Now it belongs to the city. You've been warned. But Selene didn't back down. I didn't break in. I sat on the porch. The same porch where my dad died. His last breath right there. You could feel the room shift. A few rows back, rookie officer Evan Reese froze mid-blink. He looked down at the intake form again. Selene James, next of kin Walter James. Wait. That Walter James? The architect? The man who designed half the public spaces in the city before he passed from cancer just months after getting evicted? Evan's stomach dropped. He remembered the obituary, the controversy over the land seizure. But in here, no one mentioned any of that. Not the prosecutor. Not the judge. Certainly not the press. Well, almost no one. In the back, a young journalist named Cameron Ellis had gone live 5 minutes ago. She hadn't planned to, but something about the girl standing there alone triggered something. She zoomed in silently as Selene raised her voice. You think I'm just another lost kid, but you don't know what was stolen when the city bulldozed our life and called it law. Judge Leland snapped, you're this close to contempt. Selene replied, and you're this close to pretending this is justice. And just like that, she cracked the mask. While the judge fumbled to restore order, Officer Reese started digging. He pulled up city records, scrolled back months. That house, Selene's house, was seized 2 days after Walter James's funeral. Paperwork filed after eviction. Deed transferred in under 48 hours. It wasn't just fast, it was surgical. Precise. Deliberate. He looked up at Selene again. This wasn't defiance. This was someone who knew exactly what had been taken and exactly how. Then came the twist. During a recess, Selene made one phone call. No crying. No begging. Just a quiet sentence, it's happening now. 30 minutes later, the courtroom doors opened with a slam. A woman walked in, heels clicking like punctuation. This is a closed proceeding, Judge Leland barked. The woman didn't flinch. So was your ruling, she replied. Unlawful, irregular, and deeply flawed. She introduced herself as Mariah James, Selene's older sister. Director of Municipal Planning. Licensed civil engineer. Zoning arbitrator. And today? A wrecking ball. She laid down a folder thick with documents, zoning approvals, deed history, estate commendation for their father's work. Proof that the city had no legal grounds to seize that house, let alone prosecute someone for stepping on its porch. You ruled without facts, Mariah said, voice like steel. Now you'll listen to them. The judge blinked, shook her head, shuffled papers as if truth could be lost in bureaucracy. But it was too late. Live streams were already pulling in thousands. Hashtags were trending. Students gathered outside. Signs were being made in real time. Then Officer Reese stood. "Your Honor," he said slowly, "we need to pause this ruling. We may have just jailed the wrong person for the wrong reason in front of the whole country." The room held its breath. Judge Leland looked trapped between pride and panic. Selene, still in cuffs, just stood there. She wasn't asking for mercy. She never had. She was standing still, just like her father taught her. Motion was filed. Sentence vacated. Charges dismissed. No cheers. No celebration. Just a collective exhale like truth had finally clawed its way into the room. Outside, someone whispered her name. Then another. Selene James. Selene James. It turned into a chant, not angry, but reverent. Inside, the judge sat frozen, robe suddenly too heavy for her shoulders. "I didn't mean to hurt anyone," she said weakly. Mariah didn't even turn. "You didn't care enough not to." Later that day, Selene returned to Rosewood Street. Her porch. Her father's porch. Mariah carried the new plaque they'd made together. The James house built, not bought. Cameron, the journalist, captured the memento girl sitting quietly, looking out over a cracked sidewalk with more dignity than any courtroom could understand. The caption said it all: she didn't yell. She made them listen. And in that silence, the land remembered.